Thank you for your purchase. I hope this short tutorial will help you creating your invitation. Click the link in the PDF file to open the template in Canva. You need to create a free Canva account to use the template if you already not having an account. Click on text to edit them. To replace the images, you need to upload your images first, then drag and drop your image on top of the existing image to replace it. Edit the text and replace the images for the other slides. Once you finish the editing, click on Share, then Download. Select MP4 format, then Download. Now, send the invitation to your friends and family using a mail or messaging app.